Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add image in your SAC story. Like here on my screen, I have a random story, and here I will show you how to add on my screen. So here you can see in the top corner, there is option called view and edit. So first we need to go to edit mode. So after clicking there, then all the options that you get to edit, and go to this column insert, and here you have a plus icon, and here you need to go to others, then go to image, and then you will get option to add from your system. Now we have a I'll be showing from the system, from my PC. I have a device here, so I will click on it, and afterwards it will give you the option to add from your system. And now I have selected the image. I have taken a random company name called ABC, and then I would like to add here on my story. Here you can see it has been added now, but we can always resize this into our own whatever size you want. And for that, you have to go to the styling here, and then you have to select on it image, and then you have to drill down, and you have to option like width, left, right. Those positions you can actually add. Suppose I will change to height, suppose it's too much, so I will change to 50. And right way you can see the changes here, and okay, it has not been changed yet. That's 50. And width also, yeah, now you can see it is now changing, and similarly we will now change to something more. We can check left, like we can see from the left we have given too much space here, so we will reduce to, suppose again, 30, and you can see it has moving to the direction. And from the top, there is no space has been given, so we will give some space, suppose 5 or 10. You can see it is changing in position. So, and width, now it's like this. So if you want to maximize the width till 500, you can always do that. Now it's changing inside. So in this way you can actually change, you can add your image, you can resize it, you can always adjust left, right, and this top, how much space, and width will be how much, and like that. And we do have some colors also if you want to add, such as background color. Here currently it is white or none, you can say. If you want to add, suppose for example we are going to add this blue color, and you can see the background is filling with blue. And now we will make to normal again, and then you can choose border. So currently there's no border, so if you want to keep like all borders, you can see there's an extra border has been made here. And now if you do some more styling, like yeah, this line will be made as, you can see, dot, and similar to that we have few more options like accents, visibility, and also we have some rotate. Let's do something here. Let's rotate 90 degree. It's like that, and this one like this, and this one like this. So it's just some example that you can try in your system. As soon as I clicked here, you can see the size and height width all have changed. So you can see it has been changed here, so we need to fix it one more time. So in this way you can actually add an image into your SAC story. And if you have any question about SAC story or anything in SAC, please comment below. I will happy to answer those. Thank you for watching.